Howdy y'all, it's me, I'm back, Kendra Solow, your Cannabis Fitness Trainer with My Body Physique, and I am hopping on quickly to make a video about my current high and healthy programs for the beginner into cannabis fitness, the intermediate into cannabis fitness, and the advanced proactive pothead in cannabis fitness training. And if you follow me, you are probably one of those. You're probably number like 2 or 3, most likely, because my friends are usually into fitness, into cannabis, and usually a movement professional like myself. So that's cool. Anyways, keep watching this video if you vibe with that. Now, the first program is in for the person that's just beginning into cannabis fitness. So that is infusing movement and using cannabis. I'm not going to go into deep depth of what that is. You can look at mybodyphysique.com, read about that. But it's got all the ebooks of do-it-yourself, how to move your body, step 1, how to use cannabis and movement would be the second ebook, and the third one is a cannabis fitness session, so you do like this with me. So that's in a bundle, or you can buy them separately for any price range, any budget. Okay, so moving on. Intermediates for the cannabis enthusiasts, the cannabis fitness enthusiasts. So if you fall into this category, you probably work out and you probably use cannabis, and you probably use them together already. You're like, yeah, I do that shit, what's up? But you might be either using cannabis too much, you might be using cannabis too little, you could be working out too much, you could be working out too little. So this is for you to come into that balance, using both and breaking through those plateaus of on the cannabis side, on the fitness side, using both of those that you love to do, or really like to do, to keep going with your goals, with your physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual goals. Okay, check those out again. You got the ebooks, you got Body Confidence Cannabis Fitness course, you got the cannabis fitness session, and you got the fat burning and cannabis exercise success system. Okay, check them out. You can buy them again separately, or just one. You can. Also, you have a cannabis fitness session in there, so you come, you meet with me for about 45 minutes. We talk about where you're at, where you want to go, and I help guide you to get there in a way that works for you. Okay? So, last but not least, for my proactive potheads out there, you know who you be. You know who you is. You're like, yeah, I like to smoke weed. I like to get ish done. I do that all day, every day. I got a business, or I'm trying to start a business. I'm a parent. I'm a teacher. I might be a low-key smoker, but you know who you is, okay? And you like to use cannabis. You like to also probably work out. You also like nature and to be healthy, and you know that just because someone says that cannabis makes you unhealthy, that's not true. You know how much it's helped you. But this is where you kind of maybe get a little tripped up. You're like, ooh, I am growing. I am doing all the things I like to do, but I know I'm not there yet. And I need some support. Like, hey, I see you, Kendra. I see you with this cannabis fitness business. I see you being a single mom. How you do that? How you build a business? How you do all those things? So this is a great opportunity to be not only coached for your business, but also to be personally trained. So if you're like, wow, I could really use like a little bit of a trainer, I want to lose a little bit of weight, or just feel better in my body, my confidence, while also building my business, like I hate to use this term, kill 2 birds with 1 stone, business. I ain't trying to kill no birds, okay? But you're trying to just get it going efficiently, proactively, and mindfully. This is for you. This we set 45 minutes once a week to meet. We get in a workout. We do movement, yoga, meditation, strength training. And we talk about your business. We talk about where you're at, if you have a business, where you want to go if you don't have a business. And we put that into realistic, foundational steps that you can do. I saw a squirrel. That you can do weekly. And they're not overwhelming. They're like, oh, that was so much fun. I'm so glad I went there and I did this, or I put that out there on social media, or I wrote about this. You know, as you know, if you are a proactive pothead, life is not linear, okay? It's up and it's down, but the intention that you have with it to show up and add to that momentum says a lot about you. It says a lot about your life and the quality that you are crafting it in. So that's what this is about. Leveling up your mental health, your physical health, your emotional health, your spiritual health. And it goes hand in hand with growing your business, with financially supporting yourself, with your family. That has to be ideal, wholesome, real for your business to also be wholesome, real. And not just like, yeah, I do this 9 to 5, but I'm also like, I'm over here, living this other life. No, it's gotta be it. It's gotta be the whole shebang. So that's what we do in the Proactive Pothead program. Get it, $420, 6 weeks. That's $10 a day. That's $70 a week. That's less than you spend on a meal in one day. Okay? But this is like you're getting a trainer and a business coach. Dope. I'll also, if you are a baller on a budget, I can totally break it up in for 2 payments. Willing to do that for you. So this video is going on 8 minutes already, but you can feel the intensity of my passion to help people like you feel their intensity of passion and follow that, lean into their soul through real, tactical, grounded, physical ways that uplift your spirit, that elevate your emotions, and put your mental space just focused on you, in your home, in your own. That's what it's all about. That's what using cannabis and movement is all about. So, until then, stay high, stay healthy. Buy the program, mindbodyphysique.com, under the High and Healthy Human tab, all the way at the bottom. And yeah,